All right, we're back for live trading part two. The London here. Currently, indices are just dropping off a cliff. As you can see with DAX. Wow, wow, big candle. I just finished recording our podcast, and now we're back to some trading. I lost one trade off that I took earlier, right before our podcast actually. So when this broke, um, I didn't enter here because nothing was happening, but then it dropped farther, and then there was a spike up to here, and that's when I got in, looking for a move up. I essentially entered at the high, and it just rejected off. So lost that trade, but that's okay. We're gonna now just wait and see what happens because the indices are dropping like a absolute rock. Now they do say what goes down must come up at some point, but that is a huge, huge drop. I mean, I don't even know what this is. 70 pips in London. Wow. Huge, huge move. One of the biggest moves I've seen during the London session. But right now, definitely nothing we can trade. Perhaps maybe if it comes back up and rejects, we could take it short. I mean, take it short again, but that's just such a huge candle. Just crazy. Now, will be interesting to see here, and the reason why also is because we've rejected this. Remember, this was the low of Monday, which was the low since June, I believe. So it'll be interesting to see when it comes down here. Do we just drop down, pick up some wicks, and start going bullish again? Which, as you see, it's pretty much happened every time here. Like we've had some drops, but then it goes bounces off, drops, bounce up, bounce up. So this could just pick up some liquidity, and then we start going bullish. Um, Especially in filling this gap up here on DAX. But who knows? Who knows? Crazy move. First 5 minutes. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, man, it's moving. Now let's see what happens, because it would not surprise me just where it is. Like, could we see this now? Equal lows, start driving back up, turn green, and push back up? Like, we very well could. As you can see, it's kind of the same thing happened on Monday. We had this big drive down, and then we just started working our way back up. So let's see what happens here. If we see kind of a repeat of that or not. Definitely at this kind of at this low here, yellow line. As I said, like I would, if we can see price bounce on this, if we start going long again. But right now, nothing to do but just wait. Probably driven by Mercedes. Mercedes had a worst day in 5 months. Probably a lot of earnings dropping today. And if I can pull up the heat map for there we go. Let's look at DAX. Oh, a lot of red. BMW down. All that sat. Kind of a mixed bag though. Pull down, Microsoft up. With all the all right. Yeah, still no trades we have. Just way too fast of a drop. Still only first 10 minutes of market open. Do have some targets, but they're way down here. So right now, not much we can do. Let's see what happens at this level here. We're going long. Don't know if that's a good idea. Not my typical trade, but we've got a lot of momentum with us. We're also coming out of this big area of supply. So let's see. We'll keep monitoring this. Having a lot of nice upward pressure going here. And now let's see if we can start to recover and pull out of here. Again, not a typical trade, maybe not one I should be proud of, but we've we've gone through this level. We've rejected this level a couple times, and this is nice. Rejected quite hard up here. So let's wait and see. Might not have been my most brilliant move, But let's wait and see. It's most definitely looking like it was not my most brilliant move. Which is, again, stupid of me probably. Probably a little FOMO, not wanting to sit here and watch the chart just go do something without me. Yeah, I said I shouldn't take it, so why did I take it? No idea. Now if I could get out here for a small loss, but I might. I don't know what to do. Stupid of me. This whole mental game of being up enough has not been good for me. The psychology should have waited. And now if we could see it push up here and then maybe we take it long. But right now, we're we're going long directly against the direction it's been going. Sure, we're at this little range here and it's but not a good idea. But I'm kind of in it now. So should I stay in it or exit for a $10 loss is the question. Okay, if it snaps down, we're going to go out and get out at 15. Because I would expect that it could just shoot down now. But if it keeps driving, maybe we get lucky. But luck should never be how we trade, right? There's a new high. There was $10 here. Let's see if we can keep pushing now up past this 9. Only risking $10 because it was stupid. I could exit now as well, but I am expecting this to shoot back. If so, let's see if we can ride it. If not, we're out for 10. We'll be out for a $10 loss. No, we won't. Let's get out of break even. Let's just get out of this. We already said it was a bad trade, so why should we be in it at all? There, done. All right, no harm, no foul. I'm an idiot, so just glad to be out of that. Why would I be trying to go long into all this pressure? Like, sure, we have this over here, but yeah, anyway, I'm an idiot. So we saved ourselves, got out of there. Could go the way we wanted. I need to have this for my absolute stupid journal because, whoo, that was bad. If anything, we should be getting ready to short this bad boy off the 9. Let's see what everything else is doing. All right, a little pickup here, but again, not much. So, all right, is driving up. Again, you get to see me make these stupid trades in real time. Coming up, retesting the 9. So now, honestly, our rules would be saying that this is coming up for retest. Maybe we short this bad boy. So that would actually be a good trade. I just don't want to lose money on a trade that I go, why did I take it, you know? So let's look at what we've got here. This would need to be go somewhere like right there, right? That's a stop loss. All right, we're short. We should have been in the first place. At least we're going in the right direction, right? If we lose it, that's okay. But we rejected off the 9, had a retracement, rejected off the 9 with momentum, and now we're going to see if we can get a break. Sure had this yellow line here, but we broke that yellow line, so let's see if we can continue to push down. I'm not in a good mental space to trade right now with this stupid account at 6.2. I'm hurting myself trying to trade it. So let's see what we get here. There we go, big drop. Let's see if we can take it for a new low. So I'd love to see this break here. At least come down and break. Let's not jump. Let's see if we can break this first, because this is where prices close every single time the last 5 minutes. See if we get saved, or we're going to be 2-0. We're going to be out for done for the day, which it's not looking likely here. It looks like we're going to get smacked. Definitely playing with it up there. Now is it going to pop? Yeah, we're out. Well, that was a horribly disappointing day. Just tapped us out. So I'm out for the day. It's discouraging because, again, if I had taken this long, like we would definitely be in profit, but it was against my rules. This one, this short was nice. Like it fit my rules. We came down, we went up and retested. I probably maybe should have been worried about this doji here. Like, admittedly, like it was a big drop, but it did reject nicely and then kept going. So we were $20 in profit. I just didn't go far enough down. Could have moved to stop break even or something, but I envisioned it coming up maybe a little bit and then rejecting back off. It didn't, so here's what it is. 5.567. So is what it is for the day. Is what it is. It's still not bad.